This video that you're about to see is the first day me, my dad, and my Uncle Tony um, going to Airguns of Arizona and meeting everybody for the first time. And the reason why I have barbecue sauce in my hands is that I wanted to make barbecue sauce for all the guys that I watched on YouTube and the guys from Utah Airguns. We made them some as well, but they aren't in here. They're in the next video that I'll probably be editing on, and their reaction and all that good stuff. But anyhow, this right here, all these people, all these guys that just, man, they're my celebrities, okay? Ted and Matt and Steve and all the guys on YouTube that make airgun videos, they're my celebrities. I mean, this is what I enjoy doing, and I get to watch them, and this is me meeting them for the first time. So I'm all ecstatic and happy and all crazy and obnoxious probably, but it's just the first time experience. And this is a Facebook Live from my dad's Facebook, so that's why it's on landscape mode, the whole entire video. But this is the reason why I will be going to Extreme Benchrest for the rest of my life, or until we're out of this world, and then whenever we come back, it'll be even better. So y'all take care, have a blessed day, and enjoy my crazy ecstatic self.
What we talking about?
Been talking to him, man.
Alrighty, guys, here we are. This is the place that we went
Let's go.
for Arizona. Go see.
Got split right out like there, another one right here like it's been broken off. One on the back. But that, folks, is an awesome South Texas whitehead.
Join us again next week right here on Real Trees Monster.
Now, Arizona, Robert Buchanan, before he was into air guns, was into the tire business. In the tire business. Now, Airguns of Arizona owner Robert Buchanan, before he had AOA, was in the tire business. Now, before he made the change into this, he needed to find a way to fund Airguns of Arizona. And the way he did that was to sell a bunch of his model trains. And that's the significance of the track you see up here behind me. Hi guys.
What's going?
Where are you going?
Outside.
For what?
He forgot something, I guess. I said the key, it's unlocked and the key's in it. Where's Brad? Oh, where's Brad?
you need a receipt?
Now, AOA's owner, Robert Buchanan, before he had all of this, was in the tire business, and he was also into model trains. But in order to fund this new organization, he needed to sell those model trains, and that's the significance of the track you see up here behind me. Now, AOA's owner, Robert Buchanan, before he had AOA, was in the tire business. And watch that one. You can catch up.
I got you on live. You can't hide.
Live feed.
Do we need to get out of your way, Steve?
I just got to say this the way I want to say it.
After you're done, I got a question for you.
Now, AOA's owner, Robert Buchanan, before he had all of this, was in the tire business. And he needed a way to fund his new organization. And he did that by selling pre-owned model trains, like the ones you see here behind me. Now the owner of Airguns of Arizona, Robert Buchanan, before he was into airguns, was in the tire business. And he needed a way to fund all of this. And the way he did that was to sell his antique train set. And that's the significance of the tracks you see up here behind me. What's your question?
You like barbecue sauce?
Is that you
I'm
who's been asking about the
crazy
barbecue?
person. Yes.
You know what? I was purposely not answering that because I didn't know if that was some kind of freaky advertisement
No.
or some just crazy dude.
Yeah, man.
But
Yeah.
yeah, I love barbecue. Steve, nice to meet you.
What's up, dude?
Okay, man. This is like y'all my celebrities,
Oh,
man.
thank you.
Can I get you I made you a bottle. I don't know if
Steve,
you like hot or not.
Well, love my wife and I both love hot barbecue sauce.
Well,
It's very cool of you.
we got some mild for you.
All right,
We can get
Miles
some
good.
hot
No,
sauce.
Miles is great.
We can get this is
It's all about the flavor.
I'll go
You can
and
steal
get
some of Brad's
Yeah.
hot.
habanero, jalapeno. Dylan's got habanero.
They're both good. I enjoy both of those flavors.
I like the habaneros.
Yeah, those are both great. I mean, those are both great peppers.
I got a question. Is that a Ruger up there that breaks over?
Which one?
Down? Yeah, the brown one. Right
This
there.
here?
Yeah.
I
That
think that's a Vyrock. But I could be wrong. No, it's a Ruger. You're right. That's an Airhawk.
Okay. I bought one of those.
It was second hand.
Took it out and
Thank
tried
you very much.
You're welcome.
Very kind of you. Tell me about it.
We make he makes it.
All right.
I've been raising this sauce for a long time.
You've been raising the sauce for a long time?
That's what you call
We
it.
call it raising sauce?
And,
All right. Where are you guys from?
We're from Oklahoma.
All right. I was just in
we're the streamline. He bought your streamlines.
No, that he doesn't work here. He's from Florida. He's AEAC.
EAC.
AEAC.
Okay, so this guy right here.
I mean, I guess I'm technically an AOA.
Okay.
He's an A.
He knows everybody by name. I don't.
So that's
I
cool.
just watch you on YouTube. And I'm glad that
Appreciate your support. Now tell me about your sauce.
It's
you
really good.
you taste it and tell me how you like it.
You want me to taste it right now?
Yes, sir.
Isn't-
That'll be the option.
Absolutely
love it.
It don't have any spice in it, but if you want it a little bit warmer, we can do it.
We can go and find
That's
some.
wonderful. Now I'm getting some heat from this. Is that just pepper? Black pepper?
That is sauces that I use.
So special sauces. Like
I make
turpentine and hops number 9 secret sauce?
I make the barbecue, and I let everybody else that makes the hot sauce make the hot sauce. I don't pick peppers and grind them, make the sauce, strain them, cook it down, and do all of that. But no, I've sold barbecue sauce. I usually sell that for about $10. If you wanted it,
Well, can I give you $10 for it?
You can.
I don't want to be a freeloader.
Man,
You hear that? You can give me money. I take donations.
All right.
But
I didn't bring.
Let me get my wallet.
I bought this
And I'll get you
4-year-old guy,
donations.
man. I wanted.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, it's okay. I mean, if you're helping me, I feel better about helping you.
You better give him a hug.
Do you have change? $5.20?
I was nephew. I would have come along.
Maybe.
Are you going to be at the event this
Yes.
week?
Yes.
So we'll figure it out. I'll find you 10.
Well, we came all the way from Oklahoma, so we figured we'd stay around for the full event.
We drove by.
Hey man, what's going on? Well, try it and tell me how you like it. You're on live.
Fantastic.
You're on live. Try it out.
All right. Try it out now.
This is Brad.
How you doing?
This I have to pronounce your last name.
Lamero.
Lamero. And he's the one who we talked to. And did you hear that? Fantastic.
Your finger there, so make sure you don't rub your eye there.
Don't rub your eyes. Don't use the restroom. Don't use the restroom with that.
Sure.
Yeah.
We're getting a tour of Airguns of Arizona. Well, Brad, thank you very much.
Absolutely.
We got here at you've seen our Facebooks and stuff, so you know we got here at 12:30. So, hey, Tony drove through Minnesota. I mean through New Mexico.
Okay.
And then I drove the rest of the way. I drove through Oklahoma, Texas Panhandle.
He got it into. You got it into.
Right there where Russell's truck stop is, and I can't that far into New Mexico,
Okay.
and the
Yeah.
their old cars museum, and then he drove through New Mexico,
Arizona.
and we came up the southern route through the saltwater canyon. He's the gentleman I was telling you about that has family and stuff that he wants to see and
Fantastic.
pay respects to and go for it.
Alrighty, guys. Well,
Brad, it's nice to be here.
so this is our showroom here, obviously. We'll come back. Some of the FX guys just got into the A states on their way in. So
Is Matt probably sleeping?
that's here.
Matt here. Matt's Dubber. Dubber's here.
Well,
Harvey. Come on. He's going to be here.
Good.
We take donations. I take donations. Look at there.
yeah. So very nice.
You are.
I'm Larry.
Larry,
I drive the big van out there.
you drive the big van?
Yep.
Well, you went through Oklahoma there at H&H Shooters.
I did.
H&H Shooters and
H&H is where we stopped.
Okay.
Still haven't heard back from them. I've called several times.
okay.
Give him a nudge. Be a great
I'm-
place.
We're a little bit far from there.
Okay.
South. We missed we hang on.
Where did Harvey go?
Not too bad. That's Magic Axles.
This
I'm
is
trying to.
Owner of FX.
the owner and inventor of FX.
You guys just came out.
You're on live, man. We're from Oklahoma.
All right.
Come to see for the
It's,
first time. So
It's a deep honor. I'll just tell you that.
Yeah,
So-
it's fun shooting though. It's fun, it's great. We're looking forward every year to go here. So.
Oh yeah. Man, y'all.
And I want to win again. I really want to win again.
You better beat Ted.
Wow.
So you're gonna shoot it?
Yes, I'm gonna shoot an extreme.
Extreme
Yes,
American
sportsman.
Big Target Sport.
I'm in
25?
25, 75, and 100. I'll make it. 10 meter. and speed silhouette.
Yeah.
I didn't really practice
Speed
speed
fun.
silhouette,
No,
but
it's fun though.
yeah, he said. Kip told me, he says, "Man, if you're gonna come up here, you gotta do everything." I was like,
Yeah.
Well, we brought the barbecue sauce as maybe a
You're not gonna
bar, maybe a twit, maybe a nudge.
I can still.
because the speed silhouette is so.
It's about a 3 to 5 second.
It's just
Yeah. Oh, it's
it's
fantastic.
crazy.
Yeah.
I'll be practicing for next year, but like I said, I just really came up here for Benchrest, for extreme Benchrest,
Yeah.
75 to 100. But man, this is. I'm all like jumped up with joy. I don't want to sit there and be yelling and everything like that, but on the inside, I am. Man. This is awesome.
He got a straight line last spring.
Yeah.
Yeah, 25 went in name.
Yeah. I think the 25 caliber is they are really good. And I'm gonna use 3rd caliber.
Are you going to use 30 this year?
And the idea we had was
Is this yours?
trial, but we were running out of them completely. Because we have to ship the thing.
Hi, Bruce. Hi, Kevin.
before they come.
Kevin Scroggins and Bruce and Danny Cross is watching.
So, now this is one.
Is this yours?
No, that's not mine. It's Oscar. Oscar. I mean, mine is actually blue.
You're not going to show yours.
Blue. Oh, that's my favorite color,
Yeah.
man.
He wants the crown in
Yeah, I'm
blue.
gonna get the blue laminated.
Oh, that's beautiful. That's my favorite too. It's gorgeous.
Oh, there goes.
And when that Aztec came in to the other day, it's like, holy cow! What kind of box is that? Magnetic
Yeah,
door and all that.
yeah.
That's very sweet.
They're nice.
Hi there. Hello.
Tommy's watching.
That's Oscar's gun.
This is Oscar. Oscar is
That's sweet.
Hi, Oscar from Sweden.
Sweden. Wow, man. We're from, like I say, we're from Oklahoma. Sulphur down the Arbuckle Lake area, Arbuckle Mountains, and
When you said it was jalapeno.
okay, we're
It's like
That's cool.
jalapeno jalapeno.
It's nice, huh?
Yeah, you got it all set. You got it all.
It's in my name. My surname
caliber?
is a Golden Hammer. So it's the FX Golden Hammer.
Golden Hammer is your surname. Wow.
So I got the golden gun.
30
Yeah,
caliber.
30. You can change barrels, change caliber.
So we put in there.
We're going to shoot 25 and 30.
Oh, wow. It's got the synthetic grill where you can put a laser on there too and everything, huh?
Harvey, this is the maker, the inventor
Hello, sir.
Nice to meet you.
of
Get out of
FX
your way.
Hello, sir.
of FX.
Yeah, I've done talked to the guy up front there. He said,
I was trying to remember Dakota. Jared. Yep. I won't be upset if you forget my
Well, you have to grab me. You have to grab me and say, "Hey, come on, we're gonna go meet somebody else."
This is Jared. He makes the YouTube videos for
How's it
Airguns
going?
Arizona.
Man,
Ben.
Don, I hope you enjoy your sauce. Did you taste the heat?
I haven't yet, no.
Okay.
Can you get the reaction here? Let's see.
How hot you liked it?
That's really good.
Now wait about 5 seconds.
There it is. Yeah, that's good stuff.
Good.
I like it.
Is it good? Like it's not too
No,
hot?
it's great. That's
Okay.
how I like it.
All right.
I want to feel
Now,
it burn a little bit.
you may want to wash your hands and make sure nothing's on there.
Don't touch your
No,
eyes.
use the restroom.
Yes.
Don't.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I gotcha.
Did that last night. I was eating salsa and I took my contacts. I was like,
Took your contacts.
Matt, what's up?
that's the code.
What's up?
What's that?
Man, dude,
From around here.
it is an extreme honor.
Cool.
An extreme honor, guys. Hang on. Come here just a second.
Hey, it wasn't 400 yard. It was the one he had on put on.
Tell-
It was 175.
Tell him who he is.
Am I interrupting you in any way?
No.
This man,
Yeah, he
this is Matt Duber. He's from South Africa. Dubber. Yes, Dubber, not Duber. Dubber.
And not Goober. Not Goober. So,
He runs a YouTube channel, and
maybe 10 seconds.
I'm good.
Dakota is elated with joy. I don't think there's any other word to put it. And I'm super excited too. We watch your videos, of course, and
Big fan. He's been
Very-
asking me to for months.
very big, very nice. So
Very excited.
This is
again,
Uncle Tony.
Good to meet you.
we drove. You flew 19 hours. We drove
30.
30 hours.
30.
Ted's
Hey.
outside shooting. If you want to go.
Ted.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, you gotta go later. Did you get your barbecue?
Wild. Hold on. I gotta go and get it
Uh-oh.
from the car.
We'll have everything too.
Hey.
He's just doing live and everything.
Cool.
We're going to talk about you while you're gone, so hurry.
Wait, what? Huh?
Go. Go get
sauce.
Ted's.
Oh, go get the sauce. Okay, all right.
Go get Dubber. Yeah. Get Dubber sauce.
Wow. Oh, that's very nice.
Brad, thank you, man.
Yeah. I don't know the names, but I know I've been from seeing the videos for the past 2 months. It's been
Years.
awesome. Years, yeah. I say months. It's been It's ever since he's been got the streamline and then y'all had to sit back up here to get the O-ring street, so he starts throwing pellets through it. And, he was just so fascinated watching him. Yeah. Well worth it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we drove like 16 hours, I think.
He lived here for, we was trying to figure it up last night, 50 years, moved off. He's from Kentucky.
Yeah.
His dad moved him here.
You can tell you're from Kentucky, right?
I was born in 1940.
Okay.
77 years old, and
You're 5 years younger than my dad. Born in 35.
well, I tell you, it's nice. I enjoy it. I've enjoyed life. It's been a good life.
That's good. You're still at it. You're still at it, right?
Oh yeah.
Dakota.
Been good so far.
Dakota ordered him. I forget which air rifle that he ordered him. He liked Dakota's FX. He didn't want to actually go as much, but Dakota done homework and found him one pretty close.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
And I can't remember which one he got him. Got him hooked. Got him.
I'm gonna get one.
Into it. He already loved guns and shooting, but is the area where he lives out by the lake. He wanted to rid some of his rodents and stuff, so he didn't want to take and break over a barrel on a rifle that wasn't shooting as accurate as close as Dakota's. And so Dakota says, "Well, I'll get you this one right here," and that's what he done. And
Silent. People there in the front part. So I bought me one of them, just a regular gas piston.
hello, Ryan. Hello, Jeff. Hello, Jason. Invite some of our other friends to watch if you want to. We're here in Gilbert. We're in Gilbert at Airguns of Arizona, and we're in their warehouse. We're in their warehouse area where they keep all their stuff. Dakota went out to go get barbecue sauce for Matt Dubber and Ted, and so we're waiting on Dakota, and he is just simply beside himself, really. And this is Brad. He's the airgun salesman, and really good friend, and he'll take my call. I'll call him early in the morning. Our time is 8 or 9, and it's their time 6 or 7. But he's still in here answering emails. Their time early in the morning. So I've appreciated it. He's a Cub Scouts, Boy Scouts, Scoutmaster.
That's exciting to see.
And your guys gonna be help running the event? Okay, so we'll be seeing some of those, and we'll be doing some of those live.
We got sales on the guns too there.
Not really. We'll have our van out there and kind of take a look at them. But
so there's gonna be vendors and things out there.
No, we really don't do that too much.
We're waiting on Dakota.
So it's just more of a
cool. That's what you want to do. We'll go out there and
Dakota, I bet you, went around the building. He's out there hugging on Matt and Ted. Go see where he's at, Tony.
Let's go. We can go out there.
I'm losing weight.
Wow, they're out here shooting.
Yeah, there you go.
It's their shooting range. Let's see, a chronograph will probably be next. Did they find him?
Yeah, I'm working. I'm not playing.
Oh, he is working.
Yeah.
Where'd they find him? shipping department. This guy he's a shipper. One of the shippers. Where did it?
Yeah, well, I was going over to say hi.
I don't know.
No.
I just wish they would have got one.
All of our guys is right here, minus the guy who went and got the other barbecue sauce.
This is This is Robert Buchanan. He's the owner.
Robert Buchanan.
Dakota's dad.
Yeah, I met
John.
Dakota. Nice to meet you,
So you
John.
didn't meet Dakota.
Well, Dakota's got you by name, memory,
Tony,
Nice to meet you, Tony.
brother.
Harvey Tucker.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Tucker.
I used to live here in Mesa.
Well,
I worked for construction crusher down on the river, breaking boulders for a big crusher, cat pushing it up in there. And
Sure.
then we moved up to Tuba City and Mooncopi and up there for about 5-6 months. And then I went to work for the smelter, AS&R. Then I went to work for Kennecott and 28.5 years with Kennecott.
Wow, yeah, Kennecott Copper.
Yeah.
They're
And
still
then
going.
they just shut the whole thing.
Go see if Dakota's still out there in the car.
Phillips Dodge. Didn't Phillips Dodge kind of take over for what they were doing?
No,
move around, Ted, by now.
they tore the smelter down. AS&R's got the mill and all the other stuff. And that's it. It's all
gone.
It's all gone.
He dodged
Well, thanks
us.
for coming. It's good to see you. You have to excuse me.
Dakota must have dodged us.
Customer range, and what that means is customers can come in the showroom, get help with any of these guns, and test fire them here, right inside the facility to see if they're a good fit, and if there are any questions. Right here.
And they're all right here.
You missed. Hey, there he is. He is hid.
So it was we sat there for 2 hours. Good. At the airport.
Yeah.
Then 5 hours in Atlanta. We got there. And
That's Giles.
How you doing, guys?
Hold the barbecue sauce.
I don't know how you doing.
My grandson is 13.
Long way, yeah.
And he's standing
About halfway across.
the pediatric when he was born said this boy's going to be tall.
Okay.
And I seen him, he was about like this.
Yeah.
2 months later I seen him and he's as tall as you are.
Wow. He's 13.
6'7".
Wow.
this is one of the big.
Okay.
This is one of the big names, Harvey. This is Giles Barry.
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 Whatever you want to call
Barry.
it.
And
A
from
lot of things.
The
Yeah.
Brit.
I'm
from
from the UK. How you doing? All right. How you doing?
I was trying to get a hold of you to see if you like barbecue sauce or not. I don't know.
Are
if
you the bloke that keeps asking me about Do you know what? Do you know, I've been typing that question into Google going, what does this mean? Thinking that I'm being asked something sexual. I'm slightly concerned. This guy, everywhere I go, it's like, every time I post something, he's like, I'm really sorry to disturb you, but would you mind telling me how hot you like your barbecue? Is this a guy that is a little bit, likes me other than the fact that I shoot guns?
It's strictly air guns. Did you like your sauce? Did you like it?
He's in the competition if you shoot.
Oh my
God! That's fine. That's no worries.
You want to taste it on
I've
live?
seen your questions.
Oh my God!
You want, yeah, taste it. Did you like it?
Okay. We didn't get you any bees yet.
We didn't give you no heat.
That's good. That's very good.
I don't know how it'll travel on a plane.
That's my concern. But
I'll
just have barbecue sauce on everything for the next few days.
if you get him a PM a message, we can tell him to ship it. But
However we need to.
on a boat, keep it low, get it on the ship. This is
I'm Ross Marshall from Gilbert Distribution in the UK, and we distribute the Omega compressor,
Omega.
and the Aztec scope, stick optic scope, and other stuff. So yeah, we do all sorts of stuff. One of the weird things we do is the little airgun darts.
Oh, yeah, I remember seeing,
Yeah, and yeah, we sell loads of those. I just had another order in today for 15,000.
That's Dad over there.
What?
That's Dad over there shooting.
Yeah.
Ted.
Ted Beard from Ted's Holdover.
Ted Beard from Ted's
The big guy
Holdover.
up top. The guy who pioneered.
He's the one who won $5,000 last year.
Yeah.
He's the one who won the $5,000 last year.
And the bald-headed guy, that's Steve. Who, I don't know. What they shooting? Air gun?
Yeah, they're shooting air gun. No, they're shooting pellet rifle.
They're shooting a pretty good ways down through there, I think. I can't see it.
This is right here. Oh my God! Look at Cannon. You got a cannon now. Looks like that tip. Oh my God! You didn't even flip. Just on the phone.
Not everybody been, huh?
What did,
accidents happen.
what did he have?
He had a cannon. It was blank. Yeah. But then there were people like. I'm gonna Can you hold this? I'm gonna go get Aaron. There is the wind is pushing a little bit.
The wind.
What's that?
The wind is pushing a little bit.
When you get a puff, yes. I'm just saying that if you thought that you were better yesterday, and it's not as good today, it doesn't take much. It was done pretty the voice yesterday. That's why I'm actually against it yesterday as well. I ain't gonna make any adjustments on my gun. No, I'm not making any. Actually, not before I have it. Are they still one or two strongest there?
Oh, is that right?
I'm gonna have
the
winning
gun, yeah.
I'm gonna get my gun off the
They've got it in the bag already. You got it in the bag already?
No.
Yeah, we're going home.
Huh?
We're going home.
These are.
Well, I'm all for you going home.
They're not gonna. These guys are not gonna give any of their secrets out.
Man.
Oh, wonderful.
This is. Please tell me. Please tell the.
Andrew Huggett. He makes Huggett suppressors. You can never have too much Huggett.
You better try it.
Jalapeno.
Try it.
If it's
Tell me.
If it's too hot, we can redo it.
We'll just have to say, I'm sorry. You just have to take the heat level. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
That's really sweet, isn't it? A little kick there.
Homemade.
That is really good.
Well, I don't know exactly how it's going to travel on a plane. On a plane, but it might work.
You want to put some tape around it?
Okay. Put some tape around it.
Just right on there. Highly explosive.
That is really, that is really good. Did you make that?
Yes. If you just take when you do a video, if you take and put that on the back somewhere and we see it, well then we'll know you've used this. Well, I can work on that and ship you some.
Yeah, everything around it is going to cut. Thank you very much.
Y'all guys enjoy.
You know what? I'm going to have to set up some kind of standing order to get it replaced when it's empty.
We will. You get with him, and this is on a hurry up, one day make, and.
Oh right.
You don't do alcohol as well, do you?
No, I don't do alcohol.
Oh yeah. We're all going to be shooting at 100 yards if we make it. If we make
Have you been up near the range?
No, we haven't.
No,
yet.
we haven't yet.
It's so windy up there.
Really?
Kip gave me some points.
And Ted is walking away.
Right, yeah, no. I hear you finally got the valves. Fuck.
Wow. Is Kevin here? Yeah, everybody. Kevin's here. Dylan's at the range. Dylan is, yeah. Okay.
Okay.
How you doing? Good. Kevin. Kevin, yeah, he's here.
I'm not. Don't want to get in the way or anything.
No, it's absolutely crazy in the next couple days, so you're not in the way.
Okay.
Hey, we brought the sauce.
You did. I'm
So I have a new number
for
here.
this here. Set it on my desk.
That blue is pretty. Oh, that's nice.
Actually, my brother, I didn't know if you knew that.
Really?
Yeah.
Who is?
Kevin. Kevin, this guy.
Kevin, this guy.
Darren, you talked to Darren a couple times.
Darren, I have.
Dakota?
Darren's the big
Yeah, no, good deal, man. It's nice to meet you.
If you want some sauce, you have to steal it from that guy.
No, I got you one.
That's not necessary at all.
Yeah.
Yeah, whatever.
Don't want to get in the way. They feel that I can.
I saved for it.
Okay.
Yeah, good to see you.
Oh, man. That's cool.
This is Dakota.
Kevin, what's up?
Nice to meet you.
Pretty good.
How was the trip?
It was great. It was good.
Thank you much. Barbecue.
Try it, tell me. Try it and tell me.
As long as it doesn't get on anything, that's a really nice.
Screw
Try
it.
there?
Give it a taste.
No.
I will try it tomorrow evening. We're having barbecue. Right?
Yeah. Give it a quick taste, so.
Give it a quick taste. You're on live, man.
I got you on my Facebook.
You don't have to lie.
This is a jalapeno.
It'll squirt. Oh. I'm sorry.
Don't throw it out the Robert.
I'm sorry. That's habanero. You said you wanted habanero. I'm so sorry.
You wanted a habanero? Yeah, you like
That
that.
is good.
I'm sorry.
Spicier the better.
Okay.
Thank you guys. I
Yo.
appreciate it.
Yeah. Well, that's a neat train track.
Yeah, there's a train that goes all the way around. Is it even working?
I don't think we had to rewire it because it got moved. It's not plugged in. It's not wired.
I didn't get it. Didn't get anything on it important.
No, you were okay. I'm good.
All right, who else you got to see?
I gotta.
Talk to Ted.
I talked
Ted
to.
yet?
We already talked to Ted. You didn't talk to Ted. Oh yeah, I talked to Ted. You didn't talk to Ted.
Yeah, you're supposed to grab
There's
me.
more barbecue out there. If you gotta do something with the video, man, don't worry about it. I mean, this is all wait for later.
Did you get Ted? Did you get Ted a sauce?
This is kind of deep place, so whatever.
I'll be back.
Did you get Ted's
Did
sauce?
you get to see the whole warehouse and everything? Let me show you real quick.
Okay.
Real quick.
If you gotta do that video, man, go ahead and do that. Don't want to get in the way of anything, man.
23 yards, I think.
20 meters? Yeah. Where should you be at?
Sorry.
Zero? Should be high or for what?
Hey!
For what?
Can I shake your hand one time? Dakota has already met you. He's your biggest follower. He's watched your second
You're
video.
filming me right now.
Oh, yes.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Did he get your sauce?
I did. It's in the trucker.
Is it good?
I gave it a small taste. I didn't go like downing shots of it or anything.
Don't do that.
It was good. Yeah.
But Ted, it's an honor, man. I mean,
Thank
it
you.
really is. And this guy right here has got us all hooked and very excited.
What guy?
Dakota guy. out there.
Oh, yeah, Dakota. I met him.
This is Tony, my brother.
Nice, Tony. Nice to meet you. Dakota's your son? Yes. All right.
You probably can't tell for the beard.
Yeah, but you used to look like that?
Yeah, yeah. And this is Ted's holdover. Go watch him on YouTube. Check him out.
Yeah.
His heart is true and genuine. And the scar on the back of your head, your
Yeah.
skate.
I let the hair grow up. Yeah.
But anyway.
I just won't grow up every few years.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, Ted, y'all guys, man, we'll see y'all more often.
You gonna be at EBR?
Yes.
All right, we'll see you there.
All right.
If
thank
not
you.
before.
Oh, yeah. Well, we'll hang around.
Yeah.
We'll hang around until they run us off. Yeah.
All right.
We're going to take the... Do what?
Part two.
What was it?
This is part two.
What did he say? What were you finishing?
Oh,
This is how Ted's using the impact.
Ted's using the impact.
Oh, Ted's using. Oh, he's using tomorrow?
Yeah,
Oh,
well, the event.
Oh, hey, turn the car around. Bring the car around and leave it running. We will leave Dakota here. And Harvey can make sure he gets back. Holy moly. I'm not going to tell you how much money I am standing around. But this is FX Guns. Wow.
All over the world, actually. Parts of the world.
Australia, Africa, and all of it.
Yeah, some places are harder to get in. Those are two of the hardest. Their customs are really tough. So.
Well, what was the one Britain guy? Their PSI is very low.
Oh, the Bush. Oh no, the 82 caliber. That's we gotta wait until the event. The Bush buck. That's 45 caliber.
Oh yeah, we'll have the Bush.
I just wanted to see it. I'm not got part of it.
It was in there. That's what I was showing you.
Yeah.
On the wall. That's what I was showing you. That was the Bush buck.
You can go see it.
Yeah.
Okay.
The 82
caliber. That's
45 caliber Bush buck.
The 82 caliber is homemade. They're coming to the event.
Mm-hmm.
You see them?
But Bushbuck is the one who made the 82 caliber.
But no helium or something. You said there's helium or something.
Okay, they're two different things. This is two different things.
This is two different. It's two different things.
Through
Airguns of Arizona.
Through Airguns of Arizona, y'all help design.
Mm-hmm. Kip, who you'll meet out there, he helped design it.
Yes, and it's 45 caliber, and you can go. Kip goes over there and hunts all of them.
Show me the bullet on the 45 caliber.
It's a 45 caliber slug.
45 plug.
Yeah, I know.
That JSB did just.
That's a pretty big air rifle.
Yeah.
45 caliber.
So,
Here's Air Force. Hang on, guys. Leave that door open.
That's just like
This is really cool. It's past cool. Here's the back of the FXs. I'll just take. Wow.
Was it a 9mm maybe? When it went in, it was an air gun. 9 caliber round or something. But yeah, it was.
I like the fact the 338 air right there, 338
That's
slug.
the homemade guy. That's
He made that one.
Wow.
Dylan's at the range. You gotta go and get this.
That seems really nice.
The range today?
Yeah, can we?
Absolutely.
We're still around. They haven't ran us off. Well, I'm about 2% on battery, but it ain't died yet, sir.
If you're 2% on battery,
No, I think I'm a little bit more, but 20% maybe. I've seen a 2 in it.
That's everything.
Okay. I'll go and find.
This is your.
Am I going to be in the way,
This
people?
is your.
If I come in here and try to find.
This is him.
And distribute barbecue, or is that going to be in the way?
Today, tomorrow.
Today and tomorrow.
So registration opens tomorrow at noon, right here. So if you guys want to come in the showroom, I'll get you all checked in and everything.
I have the papers of the hotel.
But I still got to check you in.
Yeah, I know that. And get everything situated because.
So sometime between tomorrow and 5, we'll see you back here.
Okay.
Well, guys.
So I'm allowed to go on the barbecue.
Sure, master.
Yeah, probably not a good idea to be walking back around here. Just stay out in the showroom, unless I'm with you.
Call him, let him know.
But
You got 6 pounds of this stuff?
There's more, but I'll do the thing after everything else.
everybody will be out there.
Well, guys,
So are we able to
we're gonna call it. We're gonna call it
They're
good.
setting up, but you can go out
Appreciate
there.
y'all watching.
Where is it?
This is definitely one heck of a time for Dakota in the next few days. So
Safety glasses out there?
we'll try to video as much live as we can.
As long as you have glasses.
Love all you. Love you, honey.
What about these?
Talk to you later.
Okay.
Glasses of some kind.
Okay.
Sunglasses.